Assalamu alaikum, grade 1, and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, and welcome to your first lesson of numeracy in week number 20, right? So, finally, we have started the lectures of week 20, and in all previous 19 weeks, we have covered a variety of topics. We have already covered our midterms, and now in the final terms we are about to finish our syllabus in the next 2 weeks, right? So tell me, what was the topic we were discussing in the last week? Excellent, it is the unit related to shapes. We are basically discussing the different geometrical shapes that we have, right? And how many shapes we have discussed so far? Yes. Who is going to tell me how many shapes we have discussed so far? Four. Excellent. Okay, who is going to tell me the names of them? We started with a square, yes. Then we talked about a circle, a triangle, then a cone, and now in today's class we will be discussing the can or cylindrical shape, right? Now see, if this word is a bit confusing for you, that cylindrical shape, this word is very well familiar, can. Okay, tell me, when you see this word or when you heard this word, what comes in your mind? What is a can shape? Have you ever heard this? Yes, we do get things, right? Very good, eatable things in the cans. Like we have fruit cocktail cans, we have, pineapple tins or cans. Then we have the Pepsi can, Sprite can, the small tins in which they are stored. And this is the shape of a can, right? So this word is, and we use these both terms for the similar shape. This can be called as a cylindrical shape, and this can also be called as a can shape. So because you are already familiar with can, so we will be using that word more, right? But you should know this, that this shape has two names. We can call this as a can shape or a cylindrical shape. So whenever this word comes, let's say somebody asks you that please identify the can shape objects in these pictures, right? So you should know that cylindrical or the can shape, they are similar. So when somebody asks you to find out the cylindrical shape objects, this means that you are supposed to find this shape. Got it? Okay. So now in today's class, this is our today's topic, that we will be discussing what is a cylindrical or can shape. And as I have already told you, that cylindrical or can shape is this shape which is right in front of you on the board. And we have a lot of examples for this, right? So before going over that, if we talk about this, or before discussing the examples, if you look at the board, you can see that it has two flat sides of a circular shape. See, this one is flat and this one is also, right? So they are two flat sides, but their shape is, what is their shape? This is also circular and this is also circular, right? So they have two flat sides, but they are of a circular shape. And the other two sides, what about these sides? They are curved. They are not straight, right? They are curved surfaces. It looks like this, but when, if you remember, you can memorize the shape of the can in your head. So you can see that they are curved surfaces, right? And what about their size? Do we have cans of every size, or is there a particular size? Yes, we can have cans of every size. They can be small, they can be big. Like the Pepsi can is small, but the fruit cocktail is bigger one. Then we have, and in even in that fruit cocktail or pineapple tins, we have the sizes of 500 milligram. Then we have 1,000. Then we have 2 liters, etc., etc. Right? So we do have sizes variations. So we can have cans of smaller sizes and bigger sizes as well, right? Okay, so now before moving forward and discussing the different examples of it, I'm going to share the screen with you and I'll show you a video, an interesting video through which you will come to know more about this shape, and then we will talk about the examples of this. Okay, So I'm going to share the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay, is my screen visible? Excellent.
Today's topic, shapes, 3D shapes.
3D shapes, a tube, a cylinder, cone.
Now look at this. This is a cylindrical shape, right? At for the left hand side, they have just given you the example just for your understanding. They have drawn a shape without any color, without any. Now this does not belongs to anything, but this is just for your understanding. And then on the right hand side, they have shown you the different pictures of, yes, drink cans, right? The Pepsi, then we have Sprite or 7 Up, and etc. etc. So this, in this shape, on first, on left hand side, they have shown you that how this shape looks like, and then on the right hand side they have shown you the examples of it. Okay, understood? Should we move forward? Okay, great.
Cone. Rectangular prism. Sphere. Sphere. Hexagon. Torus. Square-based pyramid. Oval. Yeah, those are 3D shapes.
Okay, so you have, beside the cylindrical shape, you have revised many other shapes as well, and we will discuss them. Some of them have already been discussed by us in our previous classes, and some of them we will discuss in the upcoming classes. Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen again with you, and I'll show you some of the examples of cylindrical shape. We have discussed few right now as well, and I'll show you the pictures of them, and we will see that how they look like. Okay, so let's look at the very first example of it. Okay, so these are all familiar things for you. On first, you have a, yes, you have a Duracell. We use them in our wall clocks. We use them in your different, toy cars or toys which, yes, which have batteries, right? We use these cells in that. Similarly, there are some decoration pieces, some lamps, or multiple things in which we use these cells. Then we have a Coca-Cola tin. This is also of cylindrical shape. Then we have a body spray or maybe a room freshener, which is also of cylindrical shape, right? Then we have this, maybe this is a toy or a prop. Okay, then we have a biscuit can, right? And it is also of cylindrical shape. And then we have Pringles, everybody's favorite. This is also of cylindrical shape. So now you see, if you look at all of these pictures, we will again revise about the two facts that we have learned about them. The first one is that they have two flat surfaces, but the both of the flat surfaces are of circular shape, right? Excellent, Elise. Okay, and then if we talk about the other two sides, the other two sides are curved. They are not straight, right? Curved, what is the difference between curved and straight? Yes, excellent. Okay, so there is this continuity, like they are not straight. When it is placed in front of you, it looks like it is straight, but when you hold this in your hand, they are in curved shapes or in circular shape. Okay, so let's move toward the next one. I'm going to share the next picture with you. Look at this one. These are some other examples. On the first, we have this box. Maybe it is some medicine box or something else, and this is of cylindrical shape, right? Then we have this ice drink. can, which is also of cylindrical shape. Again, two flat circular surfaces and two curved surfaces. Then we have a tin. This can be a fruit cocktail tin. This can be a pineapple tin. This can be an olive tin. This can be anything. Well, this tin is particularly used for storing things, right? For longer period of time. Then we have Duracells. Again, the examples that we have discussed and their shapes, all of them have cylindrical or can shape with two flat circular surfaces and two curved surfaces. Got it? Okay. Let's look at the last one. Okay, over here, this is a can set basically, which I want to show you. So look at this set. On the top, you have two cans. Now, there are two types of cans. On the first, they have a little design of lines, right? It's not plain surface. And the other one, the one on the right hand side, have a plain surface. So the difference between both of these two cans is that the first one have a design of lines, circular lines on it, or the circular jumps on it, and the right one have a plain surface, right? But they both are cans or cylindrical shapes. And what are their characteristics? That they have two flat circular surfaces and the other two are curved. Okay. So we have already discussed the examples of them as well. Now I want all of you to please open your book, page number 100. This is page number 100. Please open this. Let's see what is written in your book. Okay. So it says that this shape is like a can. Dip the top and bottom in paint and stamp them onto a piece of paper. You will get two flat shapes which are circles. Now this is your home assignment that you are supposed to sorry that you are supposed to bought a can. Maybe you have one at your home already. If not, you can buy it. You can buy a tin of Pepsi, you can buy a tin of cocktail or anything. Then after eating or drinking the stuff which is inside, dip its one surface in a color. You can use any paint color, anything. Dip it and then place it on a piece of paper, blank piece of paper, and see, you will observe that it has two flat circular surfaces, right? And the next thing is, now roll the sides of the can in another color paint and then roll it along a piece of paper. So you will get a flat shape by rolling a curved surface. So when you will roll that curved surface, you will get a plain shape. Now what does this mean? Basically, if I explain you, look at this. Now this is a page, this is flat, right? If I just roll it like this, it will turn to a can shape. Now this is can, right? How I have made this can? By rolling this flat surface. So when you will open that can, it's not easy to open it. Maybe don't harm yourself. But if you open that, this is a flat surface. And when we turn this into this shape, it turns into a can, right? But in this form, when it is in the form of a can shape, these surfaces are, these sides are curved, they are not flat. But when you will open this, it will turn into a flat surface. Got it? Okay, now there is another activity, which is that can you find similar shapes in the kitchen? Okay, go after the school, open all of the drawers at your home in the kitchen, in the fridge. Do check the fridge and freezer as well. That did you find anything which is stored in this shape, or do you have anything at your home which looks like can? Well, a lot of examples are coming in my mind, but I want you to search it by yourself and then discuss it with me in the next class. I'll be waiting for your examples. Let me know that how the experience goes. Okay, so that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.